So now we will start the multiple integral. In that we are studying the polar form. Okay. So in last lecture we have seen the applications of double integration in Cartesian form. In this lecture we will see the applications of multiple integral to find the area using the polar forms. So after completion of this Cartesian form, we will approach us towards the polar form. By using the polar form, what is the meaning of Cartesian form? If given question is in the form of x and y, then you have to find out the solution of this problem. That types of problem is called as the Cartesian form. So polar form, the given question is in the form of r and theta. R means what? R is the radius and theta means what? Theta is the angle covered from theta is equal to 0 to given points. So first, before starting the polar form, remember that some graphs. Okay, so I will draw r is equal to a times 1 minus cos theta. So its curve is, we have already studied in curve tracing. Okay, its curve is in the form of in this way. That is negative y-axis. That is r is equal to a times 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so next curve r is equal to a times 1 plus cos theta. Its curve is in that way. We have already studied in the curve tracing. Okay, next. So curve number third, r is equal to a times sin theta. Its curve is as like this. So on the positive y-axis. Remember that. If there is r is equal to a sin theta, then its curve is as like this. Fourth number, if r is equal to a cos theta, then its curve is as like in that. So these basic things we have to require. Okay, and again we know that if there is theta, theta is equal to 0, here theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi, and here theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. This is the first quadrant. Okay, this is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant, and last is the fourth quadrant. Okay, so now after completion of these basic things, we will start the example number first. Question is that find the area inside the circle read the question carefully. Find the area inside the circle you are given that r is equal to a sin theta. Okay, and outside the choroid and choroid is have given that r is equal to a times 1 minus cos theta. So this is the question. In the question you have to given that one is the circle and other is the chordile. And in that question, r is equal to a sin theta is the circle and r is equal to a 1 minus cos theta is the chordile. In that question, you have to find out the area. Where is the area? The area which is outside the circle. See here. Okay, outside, inside the circle and outside the chordile. So in between them, you have to find out its area. So firstly, we will draw its graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So we know that r is equal to a sin theta. This is the circle. Next, find out the chordile. R is equal to 1 minus cos theta. This is the negative side curve. You have to draw this. This is the chordile. I will draw by different color. So this is the chordile. Okay, this is the chordile. R is equal to 1 minus cos theta and R is equal to a sin theta. This is the curve. So this is the curve is R is equal to a sin theta and next R is equal to a times 1 minus cos theta. So find out the area outside the chordile and inside the circle. आता ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, chordile आउटसाइडचा एरिया आणि सर्कलच्या इनसाइडचा एरिया. So which is the common part? So common part is here. So this is the common part. So this part is the outside. This is part or the area which is outside the chordile and inside the circle. Okay. So by using the double integration, we have to find out the area of this common part. So I is equal to double integration. Polar form is very simple because this inner integration with respect to r and outside integration with respect to theta. So common part, what is the radius for this common part? Suppose there is any strip. Okay, suppose this is the strip. So what is the one end and other ends of the given strip? So one end, that is lower end of that strip is r is equal to lower end touches to chordile and that chordile is r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Next, and outer end is a is equal to a sin theta. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय करायचं, स्ट्रिपचं लोअर एंड, स्ट्रिपचं आणि अप्पर एंड. Here inner integration is r dr and outside integration is d theta. So angle, see here, angle here covered from theta is equal to here 0 to here theta is equal to pi by 2. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. So firstly, take this inner integration with respect to r and outside integration with respect to theta. Is it clear everyone? ही स्टेप समझ सगळ्यांना? Okay. So now after onwards of this, its solution is very easy because integration of r dr is the r square by 2. Okay. So I is equal to here theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. R is from a times 1 minus cos theta to r is equal to a sin theta. A sin theta r dr into d theta. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Integration of r dr is r square by 2. Lower limit is a times 1 minus cos theta. Upper limit is a into sin theta d theta. So 1 by 2 is the outside, which is a constant. So here theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Instead of r, write down upper limit, that is a sin theta bracket square, lower limit a times 1 minus cos theta bracket square, upper limit minus lower limit, and remaining integration with respect to theta. Okay, so again I will repeat this step on next page. I is equal to 1 by 2, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, a sin theta to the power 2 into a into 1 minus cos theta bracket square into d theta into d. So here a square and a square is a common, which is take from outside the given integration, which is a constant. Hence a square is a constant by 2. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. What is the remaining part here? Sin square theta. So here use the formula a minus b bracket square, which is formula is useful. That is use a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you will get here 1 square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So again we will simplify this bracket. A square by 2, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, sin square theta multiply by minus minus plus 2 cos theta, last is the cos square theta into d theta. So next, a square by 2, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Here sin square theta minus cos square theta, okay, 1 plus 2 cos theta into d theta. Again I will repeat this step on next page. So I is equal to a square by 2, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2 into sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 plus 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta into d theta into d theta. Okay. So for solving its integration is very easy. Integration of 1 is the d theta. 2 as it is. Integration of cos theta is also very easy because its integration is the sin theta. But problem is that how to find the integration of that sin square minus cos square. Okay. So here a square by 2, separate the integration. Integration of this sin square, okay, minus integration of cos square theta, integration of 1 into d theta, integration of this 2 cos theta d theta. Okay, limit of this integration is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, again is 0 to pi. Okay, so for this sin square, use the formula. What is the formula of sin square theta? Tell me. What is the formula of sin square theta? फास्ट काही सांगा.
1 minus cos square theta.
1 minus, use this which is a useful for integration. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta, 0 to pi by 2. Here 1 minus cos square means what? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay, and next directly its integration. Theta, this 2 is outside, and integration of this cos is the sin theta. Lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. Okay, so this 1 by 2 take outside. Again integration of this 1 plus cos 2 theta and minus 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so then put the solve करने, it's very easy part. Only find the integration with respect to theta and solve put the upper limit and lower limit. Okay, otherwise you can directly here other method for solving this. So other methods of solving the sin square theta plus cos square theta d theta is the using reduction formula. तर तुम्ही reduction formula सुद्धा solve करू शकता. जर तुम्हाला वाटतं की हा formula यूज केल्यापेक्षा, instead of that you can also use the reduction formula. So we will, after completion of this, we will start the example number 2. तर हे example number 2 start करण्याच्या अगोदर आपण काय विद्यार्थी ऍड करूयात, काही दोन विद्यार्थी ऍड करूया. So example number 2, find the area between, question number 2, find the area between r is equal to a times 1 plus cos theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. We have to given that two coordinates. First is the r is equal to a times 1 plus cos theta, and second is that r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. So firstly we will draw its diagram. Okay, so this is the first coordinate, which is the r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Second diagram is the this is another coordinate, that is r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. A is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and second is that r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. What is the question? Question is that find the area in between them. Okay, तर याच्यामधला आपण एरिया फाइंड करायचा आहे. So which is the common part in between them? The common part in between them is the, this is the common part. Okay, this is the common. But to calculating this common part, firstly we will think about the first quadrant. Okay, so for calculating this, only we will find out the area of this first quadrant. After finding the area of this first quadrant, we will multiply the given answer by 4. Then we will get the whole area in between that two quadrants. So remember that we will only think about the first part, and whatever the answer will come, that answer we will multiply by 4. Then we will get the whole area in between that quadrant. So now we will start the think about that first quadrant. So what is the r and what is the theta in between the first quadrant? So r is equal to here r is equal to, here theta is equal to and here theta is equal to. आता ह्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला फक्त एक पार्ट बद्दल काढायचं आहे आणि जे काही एक पार्टचा आन्सर येईल ते त्याला 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं म्हणजे ते पूर्ण आपल्याला एरिया भेटून जाईल. सो हियर r, so r means what? r is the radius starting from 0. What is the meaning of radius? The distance from origin to end points of the given circle. Okay, so it may be circle. So as like this is a circle. This is as like circle. Remember that. Okay. So r is equal to 0. To r is equal to what is the end points of this half circle? That is r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. R is from 0 to r is equal to a times 1 minus cos theta, and in first quadrant angle covered by theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. It is very simple part. This is the r, dr, and this is the d theta. So here theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. We will multiply by 4 because we are finding the area of this whole part, and now we are calculating the area of only one part, but we require the whole area of the chords. So 4 into integration from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. What is the integration of r? Tell me, what is the integration of r dr? R square by 2. R square by 2. Lower limit 0. Upper limit a into 1 minus cos theta d theta. So 1 by 2 is a constant which is outside the integration. So I is equal to 4 into theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so this 1 by 2 is outside. A into 1 minus cos theta x square as it is, lower limit is 0, d theta. So simplify this, 2 as it is, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 4. Simplify, a square, use here a minus b square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square into d theta. So a square is a constant, 2 as it is. Here theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 4. What is the remaining? 1 minus 2 cos theta, and the formula of this cos square is that 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Okay. 2a square is a constant. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 4. 1 minus 2 cos theta. Otherwise multiply by 2 every term. 2 into 4. 2 ने भी multiply करता है कारण का 2 काउंट करता है. Okay. 1 minus 2 cos theta divided by 2 is the common into d theta. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. So what is the remaining? 2 plus 1 is the 3. 3 minus 4 cos theta minus cos 2 theta is the last answer of this step. So a is equal to a square, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, 3 minus 4 cos theta plus minus 2 cos theta again, minus cos 2 theta d theta. We will find its integration. So a square as it is. So integration of 3 d theta is the 3 theta. 4 as it is. Integration of cos theta is the sin theta. Minus integration of sin cos 2 theta is the sin 2 theta divided by 2. Lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. So we do a curly bracket. One bracket for upper limit, 3 into upper limit is the pi by 2. 3 into pi by 2 minus 4 sin pi by 2. Next sin 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is the 0. So 3 into 0, 0. Sin 0, 0. Sin 0, 0. Okay. So now a square as it is, here 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is the 1, that is 4. This 2 to cancel, sin pi is the 0. So this is the last answer of the given problem. Example number 2 is also here completed. So is it clear? Okay. So now we will start the example number 3. Example number 3 is that find the area between r is equal to 2 sin theta and r is equal to 4 sin theta. R is equal to 2 sin theta, r is equal to 4 sin theta. We already know that what is the graph of r is equal to sin theta? The graph of r is equal to sin theta is in this. Okay, but here to given that two curves, that is r is equal to 2 sin theta and r is equal to 4 sin theta. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So draw one circle. This is the r is equal to 2a sin theta, which is a small circle, and r is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the r is equal to 4 sin theta, and that small circle is the r is equal to 2 sin theta, and here we need the area between them. Okay, so area between them is the common part is this. Okay, this is the common part. Okay, but same way, firstly we will think the first quadrant. By using the first quadrant, we will multiply by 2, then you will get the whole area. So firstly we will think about the first quadrant. So this is the common part. Okay, so this is about the first quadrant. Remember that. This is the common part. And only firstly we will think about the first quadrant. With the help of that first quadrant, also we will calculate the area of second quadrant by multiplying 2. तर जो काही एरिया एक समजा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटचा त्या दोन्ही मल्टिप्लाय केले की आपण सेकंड क्वाड्रंट भेटतो. So here I is equal to double integration, inner integration with respect to r, outside integration with respect to theta. So here for r, so only think about the first quadrant. Suppose there is something strip as like this. So draw one strip. Okay, So that strip, one end of that strip is r is equal to 2 sin theta, other end r is equal to 4 sin theta. This is the radius, and theta is starting from here 0 to, for first quadrant we know that this is the theta is equal to 0, here theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi. So theta is equal to here pi by 2. Here r, dr, and this is the d theta. So firstly we will calculate the inner integration. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Integration of this r dr is the r square by 2. Lower limit r sin theta. Outside upper integration 4 sin theta, and this is the d theta. So 1 by 2 is the constant which is outside from this integration. So integration is here theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. That directly we will multiply by 2. Why? Because we are calculating the area of only one quadrant. For calculating that area of that two quadrant, we will multiply by that 2. So this 2 will cancel. So this is the r square. Okay. Lower limit is 2 sin theta. Upper limit is 4 sin theta into d theta. So after that, put the upper limit. Upper limit is the 4 sin theta. Lower limit is the 2 sin theta. Put upper limit minus lower limit. So I is equal to theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. This is the r, 2 sin theta, and here 4 sin theta into d theta. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 4 sin theta to the power 2. 2 sin theta to the power 2 into d theta. So next simplify this. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 16 sin square theta, 4 sin square theta into d theta. So what is the value of 16 sin square theta minus 4 sin square theta? What will you get? Tell me. What? Capital?
12 sin square theta.
Yes, very good. 12 sin square theta. 12 sin square theta into d theta. So 12 is the constant. Take outside from the given integration. What will be remaining? Integration is from theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Integration sin square theta d theta. So a is equal to 12 is outside. Theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2 sin square theta into d theta. So this 12 as it is. So value of sin square is integration is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Well, as it is, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2 sin square. What is the formula of sin square? What is the formula? Sanga? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. So 2 is a constant which is outside. So 12 by 2 integration. Separate the integration 1 d theta integration of cos 2 theta d theta. Here limit is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So here 6, here theta and integration of, what is the integration of sin 2 theta? What is the integration of sin 2 theta? सांगा लवकर. Integration of cos.
Sin theta by sin 2 theta upon 2.
Yes. Cos integration sin 2 theta. Again, derivative of that 2 theta is the 2. Lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. Just put the upper limit minus lower limit. You will get the last answer. So area is equal to 6 theta minus sin 2 theta by 2. Lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. So this 6 as it is, curly bracket, 1 bracket for upper limit minus 1 bracket for lower limit. What is the upper limit? Pi by 2 minus lower sin 2 into pi by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus sin 0 by 2. So tell me 6 as it is. So this pi by 2. What is the value of this 2 to cancel? What is the value of sin pi? What is the value of sin pi?
0.
Sin, yes, sin pi is the 0. So 0 by 2 is the 0 minus this 0. What is the value of sin 0?
0.
This is also 0. Sin 0 is also, yes, sin 0 is also 0. Okay. So final answer is 6 pi by 2. That is 3 pi. So 3 pi is the area between the given two circles. That is r is equal to 2 sin theta and r is equal to 4 sin theta. Now we will start the same example. Example number 4. Example number 4 is that find the area between r is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. So r is equal to 1. It means what? Radius is the 1 and r is equal to 2. It means what? Again, it is also circle whose radius is also 2. So we'll draw a circle whose radius is 1 and next circle whose radius is 2. So here we need to find the area between them. So which is the common part? You see here, this is the common part. Okay, so this is the common part. We have to calculate the area between that two circles, but at the time of calculating, firstly we will think about the first quadrant. Say, with the help of that first quadrant, we can calculate the whole area in between them by multiplying 4. तर काय करायचं? फक्त फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटचा एरिया काढा, त्याने 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय करा म्हणजे आम्हाला कॉमन एरिया भेटेल. Okay, with the help of this we can calculate the area between that two circles. So in that common part, what is the radius and what is the angle? So area A is equal to double integration. Okay, so here r is equal to here theta and here theta. So it is very simple. What is the r? Suppose there is, you have to draw one strip. So what is the r here? Tell me. What is the lower limit and upper limit? तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिलेला आहे. What is the r?
Is equal to
Very good. R is equal to 1 to R is equal to 2. And theta is also very simple. Tell me, what is the theta? Theta is starting from this x-axis. So theta is equal to lower limit 2, upper limit 5 by 2. And we have to need the area of this area between two circles. For this we will multiply by 4. 4 में अपन multiply कर लगे. And here r dr and here d theta. So this 4 as it is, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 5 by 2. Integration of this r is the r square by 2, lower limit 1, upper limit 2 into d theta. So take this r square by 2, that 2 which is outside from the given integration. So 4 by 2, theta is from 1 to theta is equal to 5 by 2, upper limit r square, lower limit 1 d theta. Instead of that r square, put upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. 4 by 2 is the 2. Hence r is equal to 2 into theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 5 by 2. Upper limit is the 2, which have square, again 1 square into d theta. So this is a 2, theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 5 by 2. 4 minus 1, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. So 4 minus 1 is the 3, which is outside. We will get 2 into 3 is 6. Theta is from 0 to theta is equal to 5 by 2 d theta. 6 into theta, lower limit 0, upper limit 5 by 2. 6 into 5 by 2 minus 0. So you will get here 3 pi. 3 pi is the area between that two circles. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after completion of these 4 problems, we will start the example number 5. Question number 5 is that find the area between, and definitely this type of question will ask in examination. Okay, so I will provide its notes on each meet also, and also I will send the link of this video on YouTube. Okay, find the area between r is equal to 3a cos theta and r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So here you have to given that one circle and other is the choroid. So r is equal to 3a cos theta is the circle and r is equal to a 1 plus cos theta is the choroid. So draw a first of all graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So firstly we draw a choroid, that is positive side. R is equal to 1 plus cos theta, this is the choroid. After that, find out the circle. R is equal to 3a cos theta, okay, which is the positive side of the x-axis. Suppose this is the circle, here this is the intersection points, and which is the common part in between them? The common part in between them is the common part in between them. Okay, so area between that circle and caudal is there. So firstly we will think about the first quadrant. Okay, by using that first quadrant we can calculate the common area between them by multiplying 2, because हा एक पार्ट आहे आणि हा खालचा एक पार्ट आहे. तर दोन्ही पार्ट्स आपण एरिया काढायचा म्हटल्यानंतर फक्त एक पार्टचा काढायचा आणि त्याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं म्हणजे दोन्ही पार्ट्स एरिया भेटून जाईल. ओके, so here area is A is equal to double integration. Okay, see here R is, so if there is something strip as like this, okay, then tell me what is the R? R is equal to lower end is connected with the caudal, that is R is equal to 1 plus cos theta, and other end is connected with R is equal to 3a cos theta. Okay, and theta is 0 to theta is equal to, see here, because we know that theta is equal to 30, theta is equal to 45, and theta is equal to 60. Okay, 60 means what? Theta is equal to here pi by 3. This is the R dr and here d theta, R dr d theta. So A is equal to theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, because we calculate the whole area between them. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3. Integration of this R dr is the R square by 2. Lower limit is the A into 1 plus cos theta. Upper limit is the 3a cos theta. So this 1 by 2 and this 2 is cancelled. So instead of that R square, put upper limit 3a cos theta, lower limit a times 1 plus cos theta. So A is equal to, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3 R square, lower limit is the A into 1 plus cos theta, and upper limit is the A into 3a cos theta. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3, upper limit 3a cos theta x square into a 1 plus cos theta x square into d theta. So 3 square is the 9. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3, 9a square cos square theta a square 1 plus cos theta bracket square into d theta. So a square is the outside from the given integration. Okay, so what is the remaining? A square is outside, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 3. This a square is also outside, so 9 cos square theta, here 1 plus cos theta bracket square. So first we will simplify this bracket. 1 plus cos theta square, that is a plus b bracket square, I is equal to a square, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, 9 cos square theta. Here use a plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, that is cos square theta into d theta. So simplify this. A square theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 9 cos square theta 1 minus 2 cos theta minus cos square theta d theta. Okay, so 9 cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is 8 cos square theta. A square theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 8 cos square theta 1 minus 2 cos theta into d theta. So again this a square theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. So a square 8 as it is. So formula cos square is the 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 1 minus 2 cos theta d theta. Okay, so 8 by 2, that is 4. Okay, the answer is 4. So you will get I is equal to a square theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, 4 into 1 minus cos 2 theta minus 1 minus 2 cos theta. Okay, minus 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. So multiply by that 4. A square theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 4 cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta into d theta. So a square as it is, theta is from 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. 4 plus 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, and see here 4 cos 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. What will get? That is 5 cos 2 theta into d theta. So its integration is very easy part. This a square as it is, integration of 3 theta d theta is 3 theta minus 5 sin 2 theta by, just put upper limit 0, lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. After giving the upper and lower limit, you will get the last answer. So a is equal to a square 3a 5 sin 2 theta by 2, 0 to pi by 2. So this a square curly bracket 1 bracket for upper limit 3 pi by 2 minus 5 2 into pi by 2 by 2 upper limit lower limit 0 3 into 0 0 sin 0 is also 0. So this a square 3 pi by 2 minus, so this 2 to cancel. What is the value of sin pi? What is the value of sin pi?
0.
Yes, 0 into this non-zero part 0. So you will get 3 pi by 2 into a square. This is the last answer of the given question. Okay. So after completion of these 5 problems, we have completed the area between Cartesian form and area of the Cartesian form and area of the polar form. So here applications of this double integration by using the area have completed. In next lecture, we will start about the triple integration. Okay. So in that triple integration, the variables are very important. In that there are 3 variables x, y, z. So same way, if this inner integration, here we will introduce about the triple integration. Okay, suppose this inner integration, this is the middle integration, and this is the outside integration. Suppose inner integration, okay, I will write here inner integration, this is the middle integration, and this is the outside. Suppose inner integration is in the form of x and y, then take